As a family, we love to go on hikes. Many of these involve opportunities to cool down and go for a bit of a dip. Some of them have great swimming holes, and others have even involved us hiking through the water. We've been on the hunt all year for a pair of shoes that can take us from walking to water without having to carry multiple pairs. The Aleader shoes out and put them through their paces. First of all, we love that they look like a runner, so you can get away with wearing them anywhere that you'd wear a runner. They're a really comfortable fit, and we found stacks of designs to suit all of our family. They've got this mesh coating on the outside, which means that they're really breathable, but it also lets the water out when you are swimming. When you flip them over, they've got a similar design on the base, which is really unique. That means that as you're entering the water or swimming through, the water's escaping straight out. Same with any sand or anything else that might get into there. Verdict, we think we've found our walking and water shoes. If you'd like more information, head over to our website or click on the link below if you'd like to purchase. Thanks for watching, guys.